today. Hey y'all. So we're back, and today I'm not even gonna say this is a highly requested video. Maybe a handful of you have asked me this, and not even y'all on here, people on Instagram, so like all of y'all could fit in my hand. Everyone knows, or if you don't know, you're new to my channel, I do my own hair, and I'm usually wearing my hair in protective styles. One, just because it's so easy for me like day to day, but with protective styles, especially like twists and braids and things like that, I've gotten a few questions as to how I'm able to keep my edges, like not even like hair growth, like y'all don't care nothing about that. How I'm able to keep my edges in my scalp wearing protective styles as much as I do. There's only been one time in my life where I've experienced like hair loss on my edges, and that was from somebody else's doing. That's also the day I stopped letting other people do my hair. So yeah, if you would like to see how me and Beyonce, because Beyonce, she only snatches edges, she never gets hers snatched out. If you want to see how we keep our edges in, then just keep watching. Let me lift up and show you guys. Shut up, dishwasher. Let me show y'all. Like, so these are my edges. Like, we're all here. We're all in attendance. Nobody's missing, and they're pretty thick up until the end of my hairline. So, you know, this ain't hot nothing. We're here. My first rule, tip, what have you, to protective styles is be gentle. Be gentle in everything that you do. Obviously, it's really important to be gentle when you're installing your hair, so never like gripping your edges too tight. But also like the takedown is just as important as installing them. So when I take my hair down, like around my edges, I'm super gentle. I'm detangling like as if I'm doing a baby's hair. When I'm choosing a protective style, I try to look for something that matches my hair texture so it doesn't require a lot of manipulation of my hair. I'm usually like staying away from styles that require me to like slick everything down. Like I slick my edges down just for fun, just because, you know, it's cute, but it doesn't, like, this style doesn't require me to slick my edges down for it to look presentable, you know what I mean? So I choose styles that like work well with my hair texture. Maintaining your hair and taking care of your hair, I think that's one of the biggest things that's like super important when you wear a protective style, is like cleansing your scalp. Like, you don't know how many times like I've met someone that's just like, they don't wash their hair when they have braids, and I'm like, so it's really important that you continue to have like a cleansing schedule, regimen, something when you have your protective style in. For me, I don't even really do it like on a certain timetable. I just do it like when my hair feels dirty. Like, you know how you can scratch your hair and you can see the buildup? It's gross, but you can see the buildup on your nails. When I feel like, all right, is a bit much, that's when I go in and it's time to cleanse my hair. This is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Formula Braid and Scalp Cleansing Rinse. No parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum. Okay, so I use this. I like that it has this tip. Basically what I do with this is I go through and I put it like all over my scalp, and I just like massage it in my head. And then I go back afterwards and I rinse my hair with water. And I don't just stick my head under a faucet or nothing like that. I use like a little spray bottle, fill it up with just clean pure water, and spray that down. You wouldn't know what I do. I cleanse my edges on a daily basis. Like, I have this edge control on here. When I take this makeup off, I'm gonna be washing my edges too. Just because buildup and things like that, like, you don't want that to just stay sitting in your edges. Also, it's not good for like your skin, like around the perimeter. It's gonna start breaking out and whatnot. Before I got this, what I would do is just take water, like hot water in this bottle. I'll put peppermint oil and tea tree oil in here. Tea tree oil is good like cleansing agent, so it'll really like get in there and like lift up any residue, buildup, dirt that you have on your scalp. Peppermint oil, thank me later, but in the summertime, it's like you're walking around with a personal air conditioner on your head. Like, it just feels like, you know, that cooling peppermint feeling? Picture it all over your scalp. It's amazing. And you smell bomb. I will massage my hair with it, and then I empty whatever's left in here out and just rinse it with water. So I spray this down with just plain water, and my hair feels so good and clean and cool and refreshed. Like, I love it. Black castor oil. I've noticed that my hair does love black castor oil. So whenever I do my cleansing, I give my hair a chance to dry a little bit, but I do it while it's still damp. And I like this one. I got this one just at my local beauty supply store because it has like this dropper in it. So I can go in and like, if you have like a braid or a crochet even, like it's good. You don't want to have to like put it on your hands. Like I prefer to have one with the dropper, and I just drop it like all over my head, all through my parts, my roots and everything like that, and massage that in. I'm not putting black castor oil all over my hair every day, but what I am doing is making sure I'm hitting my edges like at least every other day with black castor oil. So I just put it around the perimeter, like just kind of rub it in, especially like on these like perimeter like twists that I have here. I rub it in really well here. These bad boys, we all know what these are. And then lastly, get you some type of edge control that promotes growth. So I have these two, like I got these together. So I have this, the cleanser, and then I also have this black castor. So it has black castor oil in it. I told you how my hair likes it. Also, this is the growth protection formula. Extra hold braid lock and twist gel. This is one of the best like edge controls I've used a lot. I like this one because it doesn't really have buildup. Like it doesn't get flaky during the day, it doesn't have buildup, it doesn't look dry and ashy. Any other products that you're using, just make sure it's promoting hair growth, okay? So that was, I feel like that was relatively fast, and I'm sad because I really like this makeup. I wish my earring, okay. But you know what, I do have to go because my boyfriend is waiting back there to watch the game and I made him turn it down. So make sure you guys, I'm gonna kill this dishwasher. Make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, and also follow me on Instagram at Niara Alexis. We're getting so close to 1,000. I can't wait to do a giveaway with you guys. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time.